In this video, I'll be using group policy to disable the first run wizard in Microsoft Edge. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about installing policy templates for managing Microsoft Edge settings via group policy. And now I'll begin this video by going to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows Server environment. And here I will be creating my group policy, so I'll go to Tools, Group Policy Management. I will right click on Group Policy Objects and select New. I will name the policy Edge Settings, then I will click OK. I will expand Group Policy Objects. I will select the policy that I created, then I will right click on it and select Edit. And because I will be creating this policy for my computers, I will go to Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, and then I will click on Microsoft Edge. Then I will click on any setting right here, and I will just type on my keyboard hide. And this gives us the setting right here, hide the first run experience and splash screen. I will open this setting, I will enable it, then I will click on apply and OK. And that's basically it. Now we can close this window. Let's go to details. And for GPO status, I will select user configuration settings disabled, because currently this policy has only computer settings in it. And I will leave other settings on default. After creating the policy, I need to assign it to an organization unit that is holding the computers on which I want to deploy the settings. In my case, the organization unit will be this one. It's called computers, and it is holding all the computers in my domain. So to assign the policy, I will click and hold on the policy and then drag and drop it on the organization unit. Then I will click OK, and as you can see, the policy appeared in the list here and also in the list here. And that's basically it. Now to test this policy, I have two client machines right here, client 01 and client 02. Both of them have Microsoft Edge, and Microsoft Edge was never executed on them. And that means that both of them should experience the first run wizard. And because I just now created the policy, my client machines didn't have enough time to update the group policy. And that means that if I run Microsoft Edge now, we still should not have the settings that we configured in group policy. And we should see the default behavior. So if I click Microsoft Edge now, you can see we get this first run wizard. We can add an account. We can start without data. I will click on that. Then here we need to select allow or disallow and confirm and continue. And also we get another screen where we can click on continue without this data. And then don't allow again and confirm and start browsing. So as you can see, we have a lot of steps that we need to go through before we can start using Microsoft Edge. And this is the default behavior without the policy settings that I was configuring. Now if I go to my client 01, also here Microsoft Edge was never executed. But this time before running Microsoft Edge, I will go to my start menu. I will search for CMD, type GP update, press enter and wait a bit. And as you can see, the group policy update was successful. And if I run Microsoft Edge now, you can see that I don't get the first run wizard and we can start browsing instantly. And that means that the policy is working just fine. And that's basically it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.